Welcome back, guys. This is iPhone XR on unavailable screen. So we are going to do step by step on how you can bypass it. Let's open our software. Please remember we are going to use either unlock 2 or EFT2 to do the bypass. So any tool that you have, there are many other tools outside that you can also use, such as FRP file activator, unit 2, and many others. So any tool that you have, you can use it to bypass with the help of, as usual, the Pico 2, as I explained earlier on my previous videos. So guys, let's not waste time. Let's start how to do the step by step on how to bypass the iPhone XR. So first of all, let's open the 3 tools and boot the phone to recovery mode. Let's boot the phone to recovery mode. So let's insert our lightning cable. So I put on the lightning cable. So there is other device you can connect easily so that you can put the phone into DFU or recovery mode. Since we don't have it now, we are going to use manual method by using your hands to place the keys so that you can go to either DFU or recovery mode. So let's do it. If you want to put this phone to recovery mode from the unavailable screen or lock screen, you quickly press volume up, volume down, then you press and hold the power key. Do not release the power key until the phone goes to recovery mode. So let's do it now. So we are going to do it now. Volume up, volume down, power key. Press and hold the power key until the phone goes to recovery mode. So let's wait. You have to keep on holding the power key until the phone goes to recovery mode, then you release the power key. There we are on recovery mode now. So you have to release the power key. So if you want to update it, then you go to flash. So we are not going to update it now. So let's from here, we just want to verify the phones. So this is iPhone XR. So from here, let's boot the phone to DFU mode. Then we are going to pound with the Pico 2. You're going to pound with the Pico 2 when the phone entered the DFU mode. So here we can use the the EFT2 Pro. We can also use unlock 2. So I don't know which tool to use now, but I think unlock 2 is the most common used software. So let's first try with the unlock 2. If it fails or find it complication, then we can use the EFT, because EFT normally is easy because sometimes it's one click. So let's use the unlock 2 for this tutorial. So we are going to use the unlock 2 now. So guys, let's connect our Pico 2 so that we can pound the phone in order to bypass. So let's prepare the unlock 2. You go to the Apple tab, then we are already on RAM disk A12 A13 tab. So let's select the model. We have iPhone XR here, and the phone is iPhone XR. So you select iPhone XR, then you select your iOS version. I will choose the higher iOS version. You can choose any of them, but I prefer to choose this one. Then you already prepared the unlock 2. So the next thing is to boot the phone into DFU mode. So let's do that now. So to boot the phone into DFU mode, you press up, down, plus power. Like this. Then you press and hold the volume down. You raise the power key. Yeah, you're on DFU mode now. You're on DFU mode now. So from here, let's try to read from the unlock to and see what happened. Read iOS. Let's see what happened. So guys, let's continue. We are going to read the iOS and see from DFU mode. Checking for device. So you can see, yeah, just check very well. So from here, you are going to pound the phone by using the Pico 2. So let me minimize the unlock 2 now so that you can get free view or clear view to pound the Pico 2. So we are still on DFU mode. So from here, you disconnect the iPhone whilst it is in DFU mode. Then you connect your Pico 2 like this. You connect your Pico 2 on into the iPhone like this. Then you connect the lightning cable from the other side. Remember, if you're using this version, you have to connect micro USB. So I connected the Pico 2 lightning cable to the iPhone whilst the phone is in DFU mode. Then you connect, this one must be connected to the computer, and connect the other side to the Pico 2 like this. Remember, during this time or at this stage, you don't have to press the boot button. There is no need for the boot button again. Boot button is needed only if you want to flash the Pico 2, as I did in my previous videos. So here you don't need to place any key, just connect the cable straight. If you connect it, it's supposed to flash, meaning you already pound the iPhone. I'm good, and you? You guys, let's continue. I was busy with the customer, so the iPhone is in DFU mode now, and we connected our prepared Pico 2 here. Then without pressing the boot key, you insert the micro cable. You insert the micro cable like this without pressing the boot key, and the light will flash, meaning we already pound the phone. So let's do it now. You can see it will flash and stay on like this, meaning it is pound. So like this, you disconnect it and disconnect from the phone as well. Then you connect the lightning cable from the computer like this. Then let's go to the unlock 2. So here we are going to read the iOS again and see the difference. You can see the pound, you can see USB letter 8 there. Here you can see from here, meaning the phone is pound. So from here You can now boot the RAM disk. So let's boot the RAM disk now. If it is delaying here, you can press and hold the volume down plus the power key quickly so that the phone will not stuck or give you attitude. But this one works perfectly. So you can see it is taking action now. So the RAM disk is booting. So mounting okay here. Then you backup passcode. That's the next step. Backup passcode. So you can see what not found in backup. The backup code is restored. You can see here that is the backup code. So let's try to read it again. Yeah, you can see they said already exists, so the backup code is already restored. The next step is to factory reset. Factory reset here. Yeah, so let's wait for the phone to load and reboot, then we will continue to the next stage or to the next step. So you are still waiting for the phone to boot up so that you can do the setup to check if there is iCloud lock or not before we can continue. Yeah, as you can see, iPhone lock to owner. So in this case, there's no need to do the setup. There is no need to do the setup because you can clearly see that it is locked. So here we are going to boot into DFU mode again so that you can do the restore passcode. So let's switch off and boot the phone into DFU mode. So we are on DFU mode now. So as usual, you must repeat the process. Same thing. Have to boot the phone. You have to pound it first. So you connect it. Then you connect your micro. Disconnect and disconnect here. Then you connect. So let's try to boot the RAM disk. Waiting for recovery is taking time. Okay, if it is taking too long, you quickly press volume down and power key to escape or to make it quicker for you. It failed. Yeah, so let's repeat it. It failed here, so here you have to start the process again. So let's power off and boot to DFU mode again. So we are on DFU mode again. Let's try to boot it directly without pound and see what happens. You can see it failed, so let's do the pound. As usual, you have to connect your Pico 2. You have to connect your Pico 2 to pound it. Okay, then you disconnect. Okay, now you can boot the RAM disk. So here, if it is taking too long, you press quickly volume down and power key like this to make it quicker for you. Yeah. So if it is once it reaches waiting for recovery, you quickly press volume down and power key for just 2 seconds. Then it will be perfectly for you. So mounting, okay. Now let's restore the backup. Perfect. So I think we have successfully bypassed this iPhone. So let's wait for the results. So guys, you can see it is successfully bypassed. You can see it is successfully bypassed. And this is a full bypass with network. You can use with any SIM card. You can make calls, you can do anything, and you can sign in with your iCloud. This is iPhone XR, and it is successfully unlocked. You can see, I don't know if you can see from the camera clearly. Yeah, so the phone is successfully unlocked. It is ready to use now. So guys, this is it. Thank you for watching. This is step by step on how you can bypass iPhone XR. It's very simple and easy. You just have to understand the process, then everything is perfect. So guys, thank you for watching. This is DDT Phones, Laptops and TV Services. We fix phones, laptops and TVs. So guys, thank you for watching once again. Thank you. We are going to do more tutorials. Please subscribe to my channel. Please comment, share, like, so that we can do more. Thank you. God bless you all.